We've got new reaction coming in tonight about a huge court ruling in a case we have been following for years now. It all centers around D.C. police seizing personal property and holding on to it, like the phones and cameras taken from protesters in Black Lives Matter Plaza back in 2020. The D.C. Court of Appeals is now ruling that practice by police violates the Fourth Amendment. Tonight, Lionel Donovan is back at Black Lives Matter Plaza with more on this ruling.
This ruling is the result of years of work by the ACLU. The human rights organization says it hopes this ruling lays the groundwork for future cases in other parts of the country and helps citizens reclaim what's theirs.
DC's Court of Appeals has finally ruled on the MPD's practices regarding personal property. The ruling states that the police department violates the Fourth Amendment whenever they hold on to your property longer than they need to.
There wasn't any clear law restricting what the police could do with it under the Constitution. Now the DC Circuit has said the Fourth Amendment puts on constraints.
The ACLU says the ruling is the first step in correcting a practice that goes back to at least 2017.
There are instances where police held on to people's cash, people's medication. One incident where police took someone's coat and held on to it, forcing that individual to leave the Superior Court in 15-degree weather wearing nothing but a t-shirt.
During the Black Lives Matter protests of 2020, MPD arrested Ayoma Isanor, a journalist who was covering the protests. No charges were filed against Isanor, but his possessions were seized, and he told WUSA 9 it would be months until he got them back.
They take all of your personal effects, so for me that's earrings, jewelry, bracelet, anything on you, even shoelaces, those are immediately taken off your person. My camera gear, also my phone.
The ACLU filed a lawsuit on behalf of Isanor and dozens of others who were treated the same during the protests.
There's an intersection of two core protections that are threatened by the practice as it occurred in these cases.
Now the hope is that this ruling will be the start of change across the country.
The ACLU says it will now be working with its clients to make sure they're compensated for their property losses and to make sure safeguards are set up so this doesn't happen again. I reached out to the MPD for a comment, and I'm still waiting to hear back from them. From downtown DC, Lionel Donovan, WUSA 9.